Hello and Happy New Year! My name is Luke, an intern here at Connect Tribe's Benteh STEAM Academy, and I'm excited to bring you our first What's in the Box STEAM Kit video of 2022. This month's kit is the Sphero Mini. Built with gyroscopes, motor encoders, accelerometer sensors, and color-changing LEDs. This little device offers any beginner the ability to drive and play STEM-inspired games with the Sphero Play app. More experienced learners have access to advanced programming using block-based coding or JavaScript in the SpheroEDU app. In this video, we'll start the unboxing process, and then I'll share with you some other great resources Sphero has to offer online. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so we're starting with the cardboard Sphero Mini box. Got the Sphero Mini right here, some bowling pins, instruction manual, and a cable. Now that we've got it out of the box, we can crack her open and we can charge it right here in that little port. Alright, we got the Sphero Mini in the plastic box. I don't know if you can see that. So when you're trying to open the plastic case right here, there is tiny plastic seals on the side, so you have to peel those off to open it. I guess you squeeze the sides and it comes out of its little case. Cool. Got here some more instructions. Wire. Bowling kit. I think that's what they're called. Alright, we got some bowling pins here that we can play some bowling with. Now that we've unboxed your Sphero Mini, it's time to get it connected to your device. Check out the links and information in the description below, which include a list of compatible devices and a link to the SpheroEDU website. There you can join the continuously growing global Sphero community and check out the many different lessons and activities that others around the world have shared. To connect to your device and drive your Sphero, click here to watch the Sphero Mini Getting Started video. Or click here if you'd like to just watch more videos on the Sphero Mini. Time for you to go explore the world with your new tiny robot friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel before you go so you don't miss any new videos. And remember, keep creating.